Coming live on the Whale Trading Network broadcast studios. We got the chart request show from the Discord on a Sunday. Looks like a bloody Sunday. With me is usual Magar. How you doing, brother?
Hey, bro. How's it going, guys? You know, we kind of expected this, so those who are still waiting around, I think we're going to have some more waiting to do. But we'll see what happens with the charts. We'll see what we see and go from there, you know.
Yeah, pretty exciting week here. I mean, everything seems to be in the dumper again, which is fantastic if you're waiting for your tax refund to come in.
Yeah. I mean, and you probably will see a decent amount of inflows from that, right?
Yeah.
I mean, a lot of people are waiting on that, and they're gonna be putting their money in because if I was a betting man, prices aren't gonna change too much, and they're probably gonna be maybe even a little cheaper, right? So, but we'll see.
Well, what we have here is the chart request show. This is taking place in our Discord. You can add your chart request. We'll go over it. We try and do the show every week, unless we get hit with viruses and extra work and all that jazz. But you can join the Discord, and in the membership you can sign up with the chat, or you can pick a chat and alert, or you can actually get the indicator you'll see in the broadcast today and install it on your very own TradingView account. And then once you become a member, you can hop on over here to the chart request channel and drop in your request there. And Magar is so excited to go over all of those for you guys today. This is the chart request show. All right, there you go. All right, so
You got that in your system.
well, I messed up the I was messing up the transitions over here. Oh well.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's jump right into it. We got Skull. He's looking for Pengu.
Uh-oh.
We're gonna start off hot here.
Yeah. Let's take a look at this thing. Man, it's in the dumper.
I mean, what isn't in the dumper, really? I mean, if you're not in the dumper, are you truly a cryptocurrency?
Yeah, no, you're right, man. I mean, there's not much to say. It's in a bear channel. It is trying to bounce up out of it, right? But as you can see, it rejected the bear channel, the 9 EMA there, and it's just going on back down. Hopefully, it doesn't come down and try to touch that band, man. That'd be pretty rough, right? Bail low came up. It's been over the basis there, lost it, forming a bear channel now on the daily, right? I'd be watching the 9 EMA here, see what it does on that, carry it over to here, right? And that'll be probably around your basis line. Try to get a bull channel there on the 4 hour, right? Maybe you can get some price action like this, but I would definitely be still playing the 4 hour. As you can see, the red dots can be pretty accurate, right? I would suggest using a stop loss on them, right? Because as you can see, if you give yourself a little room, you're more than likely going to go up rather than down, other than this guy here, this guy. But yeah, man, like I said, I'm not too bullish right now on crypto. I mean, we are expected to bounce here. I had Bitcoin pegged around 69.5, but that definitely changed. But we'll go over that chart once we get there. But I mean, honestly, I think we're gonna get a little bounce here. I would definitely be watching here on Bangu if you're trying to take a stab at it. I mean, I know it's not a huge gain or nothing, right? But I mean, if it can find support here and get a bull channel, I would definitely be watching up over this here top band. As you can see, it's been rejecting it. It doesn't want to go into FOMO. Did here though, as you can see, right?
Yeah.
Ugly doji though, another doji, another doji. And that's a doji of indecision, right? That obviously decided to go down. So yeah, man, and this year can be the same, right? So yeah, I don't like it.
Well, we'll see which ones you do like here. So next he's looking for Sui.
Sui. I know Sui. I said quite a few weeks back to 85 cents was a good buy zone, right? Um, whether that will play or not, I don't know. At that time, it looked like that was going to be around its bottom, right? So it tags 78. That's ugly structure.
Yeah,
Oh
it's
man,
terrible.
yeah. So I mean, it's still in a bear channel. Uh,
It just
it's
seems
having a
like it's
hard time.
rejecting off that 9 each time.
Yeah, and I mean it, and now it's just creating a bear pennant, right? Clear as day there. Um, Same with here. This is more of a symmetrical triangle though, but uh, I mean, if Bitcoin bounces the way that I think it's going to, I was looking at the heat map a little bit earlier too, and there is some confluence there for it to bounce up, right? But I better not get into this yet. There you go. I see. I stopped myself.
Squirrel!
Right. Yeah. No. Okay. So, again, if Bitcoin does what it's supposed to do here, I think Sui will bounce here. I would be really paying attention to these two markers right here. Um, I feel like this is just one big accumulation zone. Um, Clear as day. Uh, Is it a accumulation for distribution or expansion? I don't know. If I was a betting man, I would say distribution, right? There's a big unlock coming too, right? Or it already happened, maybe. I'm not quite sure. I don't remember now. I honestly, I'm not following the altcoins too much. I'm not too excited about them or amped or feel the need to buy them to oh my god, and I mean you
Mm,
guys shouldn't either. I mean if you want to try to scalp some here and there, I mean there's good opportunities, right? But I definitely wouldn't be buying with the expectations of it going to the moon right away, right? So uh, really
yeah.
set your bar low, expectation wise, right? Um, your best bet here is to take little steps by accumulating with just a couple dollars, buying and selling, right? There's minimal risk if you're, buying down here and trying to sell, after a few percents or whatever, right? I mean, a gain is a gain, right? Uh, that's what all these here are. I mean, this is what people are doing, right? Buying here, selling here, buying here, selling here, buying, right? I mean, that's how you accumulate down here. This is how these zones work, right? Now, whether the people that are accumulating, right? I'll plan to distribute their bags right away, and then obviously, it's it's going to go right back
Mm.
down. Um,
And it's back
eh,
in a down channel on the daily there, so
yeah,
no
same with
dots
the
are going to
four.
print there.
Yeah, same with the 4 hour, right? And I mean, the 4 hours been pretty consistent here. I mean, the dojis everywhere. I mean, there's another one here, but this is a indecision one, right? Um, it's deciding to go down, but like I said, I think things are going to bounce here. I mean, obviously, it looks like it is. So there might be opportunity here for a quick little flip, right? Um, but your risk is your reward too, because as you can see, things can change drastically pretty quick, right?
Hmm.
Sui though, I like Sui. Here I like Sui. I ain't gonna lie. I said 85 a while ago, and I mean 88's not far up from 85. Honestly, I can't see Sui going much lower than this zone. Um, maybe down in around here, but honestly I think it's gonna get bought up. Sui's too big of a name, and there's too much utility and demand. I honestly, I can't see it going too much lower. I can't see it going coming back down here. I think you're going to see something like this with some nasty wicks down that might touch this, but I don't think you'll see an extended stay like you did down here. I think you'll see a move like this. So if you're planning to buy, uh, you know, put smaller orders in around this zone and put bigger limit orders down low down here and hope for these nasty wicks
Yeah.
pick it up, right? That's your best bet right now. Like I have a few limit orders set, just mostly on Bitcoin though. But there's a couple others, but they're really low. I mentioned in chat XLM. I like XLM here. I do. Um, I would like it down here more, right? But in the zone, I am buying XLM and a lot of it.
Yeah.
I'll tell you that. Yeah. But
Yeah.
yeah, Sui, I like Sui.
Yeah, the next token unlock is on April Fool's Day. Currently, they got 3.9 billion unlocked.
Yeah.
And of course, the next one he's looking for just happens to be XLM.
No way.
Yeah,
Okay.
look at this. It's a good segue. Look.
Yeah. Yeah. The daily play the daily red dots on XLM, man. Money. I mean, lowlies. I was looking at it. I mean, these ones here, and again, I mean, yeah, you're gonna get stopped out there, right? But I mean, you're gonna have other opportunities to get back in. I mean, a gain is a gain when you're making moves like that. I mean, um, I said in chat I liked XLM the other day. I still do. I wanted a little lower than this, but I mean this is a clear accumulation zone. Again, is it going to be for distribution? I think so. I think with XLM you will see lower prices than this. Only because not this is different than Sui, right? This is an extended stay down here. Uh, extended stays, right? This is even, you know, not quite extended, but more extended than what say Sui's was. Sui's was just one big wick, right? Um, I think you see something like this here is happening right here. I think we're in around here on XLM. I said I was gonna start buying XLM around here, in around the zone. I mean, you could pull the trigger now. No one would follow you. Certainly not me. Um, but like I said, I'm in no hurry. A couple percent, so I'm not really
Yeah.
interested. It's too much of a headache. Uh, I would rather conserve capital, um, and pull the trigger at the right time, or what I feel like is the right time, other than chopping around forever, right? Um, I'm not too bullish. I haven't been in a long time, so things have not changed too much for me.
Yeah. Yeah, well, nothing looks really great right now. So that was Skull. He's finished it up there. So next we got Dirty Spur looking for the Bitcoin.
Nice.
Yeah, look
Took
at it.
took a while.
We
Took
need to
too
push this
long.
to the end.
Yeah. So I've been posting these in chat for the last few days, and they've been playing out perfectly. This one was within $2, I think it was, and this one was in within $22. I expected a bounce here off of this year. Um, there's no way I can see that both bearish structures play out and then a third without any relief. Um, Yet to be seen, but I think we'll either reject here and come down to find this guy, or we'll battle up to one of these guys, right? And no, don't. That blue line was only a marker for on this structure because I was still unsure if it was going to be a bear flag or not. And obviously the price action didn't play out as I anticipated, but the end result was uh, bang on, right? So
Yeah,
um,
you hit that pretty much on the money.
yeah, so we're looking at relief here, in my opinion. Um, to where my bet would be to 67. Um, if we can tackle up over this, then we'll push for 68, right? But again, that will probably come down to around 69, low 69s. That's what we need to get over if we want to, go up in price. Like as you can see, we need to hold it right. And then we got a little bit of FOMO, and then came back into the bear channel, tested that 9, came up, rejected perfectly off of the band, and no more. Right, we lost the bull channel. Then
Yeah,
we fell into the chop, lost the chop. Now we're in bear. Right, we're
just like that.
straight. Yeah, just like that. Right.
Well, things are short lived when we got bombs flying and everything.
Yeah. So Bitcoin's trying to battle at a capitulation right now on the trader time frame. The 15-minute, yeah, I was gonna say would definitely be higher, right? So look, we'd be watching this right now. Um, Looks like some bullish divergence here on the MACD though. Um, if we can get a cross up over this in the next 10 minutes, that closes over the 9 EMA, that'll cross up over, and we should get a push up to try to touch this, right? Um, but again, I would be waiting for confirmations here. This is high risk, low reward territory, in my opinion.
Yeah,
Um, like I was mentioning to buy before the show, the reason why I'm not currently actively trading is there's too much risk with a short, and I feel like we're gonna go down overall anyway, and there's just not enough meat on the bone per se uh, to support a short this low. Um, and there's too much risk with a long. I find it kind of stupid to be trying to long here.
yeah,
So
yeah. I mean, you got a lot of influencers out there calling the bottom and getting ready to load the boat up, but we're not doing that, folks. We're not seeing anything that's telling us to start loading up. I mean, I don't
no,
see anything. Do you see anything? I know for sure shit you don't.
I no, I would be looking to scalp things, sure. Um, projects that you're interested in, if they're oversold, throw a stab at them, but I would definitely be offloading. I wouldn't be buying here uh, to try to shoot for the moon. The only way that I would be buying here is if I had like long-term goals, and still, in my opinion, I don't think this is the best time to be buying. I still think things will go lower. Um, some things will go lower than others, right?
Mm-hmm.
You know, I mean that's just the way it works. I
Yeah.
mean, like look at MYX for a great example. I mean, this thing has gone down like 6,000%, literally, or so. Like come on. Uh, Not everything has gone down that far, right? So again, stick to the smart projects. Stay away from these high risk ones, right? If I'm posting in the chat like the other day, I snagged the 35% move off of it, right? Just because I seen the divergence and it was all over the place. But
Mm-hmm.
like look how this thing is gonna rocket. I am telling you, it is, it's gonna rocket, man. And
Yeah.
yeah, I'm buying this. I ain't even joking. I've been buying it, not crazy amounts, because I feel like it can still go down
How much can he
quite a
get you? How
bit,
much you
right?
got to put in margin to get that liquidation down to zero?
Not much. Not at 29 cents, I'll tell you that. I mean, but I'm not leveraging it. I took well, I posted the play the other day. I got the 3,000 percent play
Yeah.
off of it. And I closed that. I was like, oh yeah, I woke up and it was up that much. I was like, God damn, insta close.
Right.
Stay away from that thing, because I remember Goose, I think it was at like 90 cents or 80 cents or something. He was like, you think we should lie? I'm like, you want to catch a falling knife? Yeah, man, sure, you go right ahead, but
Right.
I'm not, right? And like, look what happened, right? And like, I seen this coming. It was a clear rejection. It was testing this long-term trend line. Said nope, and like boom, right? And I mean, there is a big possibility that it comes back down into this here zone, man. I ain't even joking, right? And
Yeah.
if it does, I am loading the boat on this thing. I'll risk it for the biscuit.
Yeah. Hell
But
yeah. I'll be
like,
all in on that too.
yeah, but yeah, man. I like
Yeah.
MYX. I don't know
You know, the
why.
good thing for the guys in the or the ladies too, right? In the United States is true crypto perpetual style trading is coming, and they're supposed to be in the next month where they're going to bring that to the United States. Who knows what the hell that means? There's no real definition there, but
It's
hopefully it'll
probably
be.
not. It's
Yeah,
probably not good.
I would assume it's going to start off as a semi shit show. I mean, they do have the derivatives right now, but and I think you can 10x on it. But
Ooh,
yeah, so I don't know. They say true,
ballin'.
so we'll see what the
What?
hell
So
they're
was that
talking about.
at 200x? Right. Well,
Yeah, I
that's what I
mean,
can do on Mexi.
right.
I can go up to 500x on some stuff.
That's right. I put a
Uh,
500x long on Bitcoin. It's like as soon as you place the order, that shit is liquidated.
no, not if you do a cross. But
Yeah,
we don't do cross margin here. But if you did a cross with low, like only 1% margin, then you're good. You
yeah.
better hope it goes up though, or your money's going good. You better be sure as shit that thing's going up before you hit 500x. Tell you that right now. One candle, your account's busted.
All right, so that's a Bitcoin. Next, he's looking for the Ethereum.
Beef.
Dirty Spur likes hitting all the heavy hitters, brother.
I actually liked actually liked ETH more than Bitcoin when I was looking at it earlier, but yeah, I don't know about that. I recant that statement, man. This thing looks like shit. Yeah. I mean, if you guys played these 4 hours, red dots, I'd be just shorting these fucking red dots. No joke. Like, look at this. Well, let's short the red dots for now. I mean, put a stop loss in if it goes up. Like, well, who cares? It's
Yeah,
good.
like,
Yeah,
how high is it
one of
gonna
them's.
possibly go?
Yeah, yeah. One of them's gonna hit, right? So, I mean, the last five have been bangers, right? So, I
We're
mean,
gonna turn everybody into bears in the Discord.
well, and they're making money
Yeah,
though.
they
I mean,
are.
I mean, right? I mean, instead of being a bozo and buying spot, thinking that everything's in the bottom,
Yeah.
we got. I mean, who? How can you call bottom? I mean,
The wave is deep. It's the
yeah,
bottom.
yeah,
Hey, when we're
no,
below the white line, that wave is deep. That's a bottom for sure. You only get one signal a year, right?
yeah, yeah. Well, why is there 20 calls a month then? Right? Like, yeah. Come on, man. You gonna can't be wrong all the time. You gotta be right at least once. You can't even do that right.
Just gonna call alt season every single day.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hit it perfectly.
I'll eventually get it. But again, like I said, I think things are gonna bounce here. How much? Not much,
We're
probably.
back on the Bitcoin.
Oh yeah, sorry, yeah. It's a,
This dude,
it's a, it's a. What were we looking at again?
Ethereum.
Ethereum.
Yeah. Hey, let's take a look at ETH. Here's a one
Yeah,
second view. Let's look at the Bitcoin again.
yeah. Sorry, it's a habit. But ETH doesn't look good, guys. I mean, what? Like, look. I mean, it's a clear
Holy.
indication that it is not done. I mean, the selling pressure is still there.
Yeah.
Uh, this year, I mean, didn't play out. I mean, either did this one for a bit either though, right? But then another one came, right? So
Mm.
I mean, he's still batting 100. I can't see things changing. I can't. We ain't getting no red dot down here. I'll tell you that.
Nope.
It's definitely gonna bounce. I mean, he bought. He's down big, man. He bought here
Yeah, because
3,200,
he's
right?
not selling on the 4 hour, so he's
Uh,
holding.
he's down 60% of his money. No, he's more. Yeah, 66, round. Yeah, no, I think he bought right here. 68%.
Let's check. Let's check on the
Oh,
old Albert
Albert's.
Einstein's wallet
Yeah,
here.
yeah. Albert's getting
Let's see how he's
rinsed.
doing.
Well, hey, he's doing better than Tom Lee.
I mean, well, he's still up $1 million. So even being
Wow.
down that much, he's still up 1 million on 10,000. So I mean, he's sitting at a perfect 7 for 7 right now.
Yeah,
Uh,
he loaded the boat up down here and hit it big. He didn't get
yeah,
stopped out until up here somewhere. But yeah, uh,
yeah.
and honestly, I can see a repeat of what he did. Uh,
Oh, absolutely.
yeah. This
He's down 30.
isn't.
He's down 40% on this trade.
Listen, when everyone starts saying ETH is dead again, that's when we're buying.
Yeah.
Remember, I was battling everybody. They were all like, "Oh no, ETH is done. It's phased out. There's no more ETH." Da da da. Get out of here. Buy
Yeah.
it. I was telling everyone to buy it down here.
Yep.
Eh, but honestly, I see this happening here. But I think we go deeper.
Yeah, I
This
don't
is my
blame
hope. This is my hopium level. I know you guys don't want. I don't even think it's gonna hit. But hey,
you. Yeah.
here's the hope, right?
Yeah. Well, I think
um.
once that Clarity Act gets pushed through, that I think we'll start seeing more retail turnaround. I don't know, potentially. I mean, who knows? Good
Well.
news always dumps.
Well. Look. The lowest low, right? A higher low. Another higher low. Oh, double bottom. Fake out. A lower low. Lower low.
Mm.
Lower low. I think anyway, right? Honestly, I'm loving, and I would love to see a double bottom here. Oh man, I would love to see a double bottom here.
Yeah.
I think we're going to see it, and honestly, I think we go down a little bit lower past this because I think if we go down here, that we'll see a bounce like this, and then the manipulation is going to kick in to try to get those people out, so you don't get a move like this. Who knows though? We'll see what happens.
Yeah.
Things are bouncing now. I mean, this was expected. But again, how far will it go? I don't know. Not too far, in my opinion. Um, let's try to get a bull channel here on ETH. Need that EMA to cross up over that band. Uh, I mean, it actually looks pretty good though. That's gonna cross for sure.
Mm.
Yeah, see? Yeah. Uh, again, I like things here right now for the short time being. And I mean, I don't say that too often, so
Yeah.
there's that.
All right, next one, and I didn't pay him. He's looking for XRP. He already knew.
Mm. Oh, XRP
Oh,
looks.
look at that
Oh,
God candle.
oh yeah. No, back. Oh no, wait. There we go. Andy's time frame.
It's the
There
bot.
we go.
It's the
Look,
bot
look,
algorithms.
look. I can't
Oh,
even
look at this
fit.
shit ripping.
Can't even fit that on my chart, man. We're ripping. No, XRP is XRP. Uh, what's it gonna do? Go down. I like to short XRP. XRP is my favorite short. Um, is it gonna go down now? No, I don't think so. I think it's gonna bounce at everything else. I'd watch the middle band here. One between 138 and 145. That's gonna be it, in my opinion. Um, I can see another doji like this happening, right, for a triple top into a symmetrical triangle and down she
I think it's going to
goes.
go back and hit a double bottom around that 112.
Uh, possible. It's possible. But yeah,
And that
look what.
112 is the 200 on the weekly.
Mm, I don't know. I it kind of looks bullish. I ain't gonna lie. There's some bullish divergence there, but I don't like it. That's an ugly structure, man. Uh, I'd be watching right here again. These are gonna be your two. If you can get up this, I'd be selling here if I was just trying to do a quick flip, right? Well, not selling, a stop loss, right? Stop losses are appropriate here, right? Because you don't know if things are gonna go up and keep going up, right?
Yeah.
So s- a stop, I strongly support a stop loss here, and don't be stingy on yourself. Don't be like, okay, I'm gonna set a stop loss. I bought here. I'm gonna set a stop loss right here
Yeah.
or something. No, you give yourself some room, even if it's. read a little. Who, I mean, it's not the end of the world. Your risk is your reward too, though, right? I mean, that extra 1-2% that you give yourself could turn into a positive 50% or something, right? So there's always that take on it. But again, I like things here, and I mean it's been playing out since I've said it. Um, and I mean, the reason why I always go to Bitcoin is because Bitcoin controls everything, right? And I mean, look, there's a clear bounce zone right here, right? I'd be watching that. This is an important price right here, and right here, right? This 67 is. If you want to know what everything's gonna do, just follow Bitcoin. And I mean, these things are gonna outperform Bitcoin. Sure, they will, but they're gonna out people are gonna sell them a lot quicker in Bitcoin too.
Yeah.
They're gonna go a lot down a lot quicker too, right? So if you're buying alts, set stop losses, please. It's all about preserving capital, not throwing your money at hopes and dreams, and I'm hoping it's bottom, or I hope this, or don't trade off of that. I hate that.
Yeah.
Uh, but
Well, this
again,
isn't the place you're
this
going to find hopium.
no, I'm not a hopium guy, right? So I'm pretty straight to the point, down or up. Um, what I see is what I see. Uh, I've been seeing lots of down since here, right? And I was saying this right from down here. I was saying we're going to come up and reject off of these lines. If we could find support off of this one, we would come up and reject off of this one off, but we couldn't even do that, right? Didn't find enough jam. But again, this was a zone that looked like it was going to bounce to me. Um, Watch here, and again, this is where I think we're going to end up in around here. I put that there 2 weeks ago or
Yeah.
something. It's been a while.
Yeah, I
Been a
remember
while,
when you
right?
posted this chart, all that stuff wasn't filled in. So, people that are watching this now, I mean, that was literally blank.
Yeah.
And he hit it perfectly.
So again, I think the same thing's gonna play out, but we're gonna have to watch the structure, right? So we didn't have a so with this sideways price action and this little candle, in my opinion, down, that doesn't give price action enough to build a bear structure off of this. So I feel like it's gonna come up and build like a sending wedge or something that's gonna have some down action, right? But up then down. Um, and that's what I see right now.
Yeah. Oh, that was the dirty splitter. Now we got, I don't know, looking for an aerodrome.
I like Arrow. I don't even have to look at the chart. I'd say buy Arrow. Uh, but yeah, look. So these are my two accumulation zones. This is where I said the buy last time was down here. When KJC was asking, I said, this is possible, but watch these two, right? It almost made it there, not quite. It's coming back into this zone. Will it stay in this one this time? I think so. I I don't think it's gonna come back down and touch the zone yet. It will later, possibly, more than likely, but I don't think it will now. I think Arrow's gonna bounce, and I'd still like to see it touch here, but I don't think it will. This double top is going to turn into a triple top, I think. Maybe in around here or in around here. So I'd be watching 37 and 39 on Aerodome. But overall, I like Arrow. I think you will do very well buying Arrow down here. Yes, sir, you will. Even if it comes down here, I don't think it will stay down here for too long. Um, it's a liquidity hub for Coinbase. Coinbase is gonna eventually pick up more steam again, right? So
Yeah.
yeah, I like Arrow. Do I like it here now? No-ish, maybe-ish. I mean, it's really hard to say if it's gonna stay in this accumulation zone here, but I think it will. And again, I'd be watching in in around here. That I can see a rejection coming in around there, right? Um,
Yeah,
you are,
stochastic
but
is on the floor.
yeah.
Yeah.
Um, in the RSI, I mean, it's at 30, right? MACD's just about to cross histogram showing that selling pressure has diminished. Um, it's in the bear channel, but it didn't come down and even test the lower band to try to even find capitulation, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's a good sign, and it hasn't found capitulation on the 4 hour, right? This year, kind of flirting with it right here, but I mean, it will not really a carryover like this. This is more of a capitulation, right? So, and you ain't seeing that no more. So the sellers are really starting to die off on Aerodome. Um, I like it here, and I would be buying it here. But my money's for Bitcoin, so I'm not buying it. But I I would not fault anybody for buying Aerodome in either one of these boxes. I like it.
Next, he's looking for the HPQ, so we'll get into some positivity here. Maybe.
Maybe. Oh, this looks good.
Mm.
Yeah. Uh, nice buy signal there too. Um, not quite in the same zone, but pretty close, right? So it's obviously a hot spot for buyers here, right? People are buying it up in around this zone, right? What is this HPQ? What's it
Hewlett
do?
Packard.
Oh, yuck. But yeah,
Well, I don't really like the HP. I mean, maybe for
no, either do
printers
I.
are okay, right?
Yeah, maybe. It looks bullish though. It's gonna form a bull channel on the daily here, right? That's beautiful close over, nice retest, manipulation down into buy orders for sure. Um, because it's just a wick and it's turning into a nice bull hammer, right? Um, yeah, this thing looks pretty solid, man. Came at a capitulation on the 5 day, right? And it's marking the bottom here, right? Uh, last one here, so be careful with it, right? Oh, man. Um, and remember, you're not up here, right? You're sell off, right? Um, looks like it's retesting down here, right? The old breakout spot. It's tested it a few times. Lost it here, right? Found a new low. Um, I actually kind of like this thing here. Oh, I ain't even gonna lie. Um, it's finding support here. I'd be watching 20. 20's gonna be resistance for sure. Psychological number too. Um, I know it's not much of a gain, unfortunately, but I'd just be watching it. I mean, I wouldn't be panicking. Right, but it's a good possibility for a rejection here off of the upper band, and it lines up with the EMA there, right? Um, and it looks to be like it is trying to break into FOMO, right? came back down, didn't even test the band here again, and it's shooting back up. I would really like to see it close over this upper basis, though. Um, I feel like the stochastic and the RSI is a little too high. That it would have to see some sort of rally or consistent price action for it to to consistently go up before selling off again. Like look at that nasty bear channel. Ugh,
Ugh.
man, you would have made some like look like it pretty easy to locate these. You know, boom, like look, okay, formed a bear channel. Short it, put it easy, ride it, right? Use this as use this as what you're watching for. Because, like, look, and as soon as it starts trying to test this, then that's when you know it's time to probably get out of the short, right? Um, but look, each time, man, like, look, bear channel, look, short, bear channel. You wouldn't have got tagged out here. Wouldn't have been a good payday either, though, right? I mean, but like, look, they're so easy to locate. Uh,
Uh,
just as easy as the bull channel is easy to locate too, right? And you guys know how to follow it, right? So, you watch your nine and you watch the bases if it's really close to it, right? Um, Good possibility that it comes down and touches it. Uh, but yeah, HPQ looks solid there,
yeah.
man.
Yeah, those of you that are not in the Discord, you can join the Discord with the link in the description. We have videos going over all the channels, how to identify them, and all that good stuff. Plus, you can get access to the Albert Einstein, which makes it easy because he tells you all the channels. Um,
Cheating.
yeah, don't be lazy. Make sure you understand them.
Yeah.
So the next thing he's looking for is a PLTR, Palantar.
Well, yeah. Ooh, we got some FOMO. Oh, it don't look too healthy though. Let's see. Uh, that looks like it's gonna turn into a nasty doji, man. Oh, I don't know about this thing, man. This looks like it's breaking out. Head, shoulder, no, right there. Retesting the head shoulder there.
Mm,
One, two. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know about this thing, man. It's forming a pull channel low on the daily, but oh man, I don't really like that 5 day or this daily, man. It's kind of scary. Um, is there a gap up here that it's going to fill or something? No, yeah, maybe. I mean, that's maybe. I don't know though. I don't
yeah.
really like this thing. I think it's gonna come down before it goes up. Yeah. I don't know though. I'm unsure about this thing, but I would not be looking to buy this here. I don't even care. That's scary. That's a scary candle, man. You could see something like this again, right? I don't know. I don't know how this thing moves, right? But as you can see, when you see candles like this, man, they don't usually end too well, right? Um,
No,
so
they do not.
No, so just be very cautious with this if you're in it, and I would definitely be running a stop loss if I was in it. Um, I would be using just under this here. I'd be using like 150 as a stop loss, but I don't use round numbers, so it'd be like 149, 30 or something stupid, right? Um,
Oh, you can't end in 30. It's got a zero.
yeah, 33 or something. But yeah, don't ever use round numbers. You make yourself an easy target for a stop loss, right?
Yep.
Um, how's the old Bitcoin doing? I gotta,
Well, we're gonna get back into that because the
yeah,
that was I know. Now we're looking at CJ, which will take a look at a link, which will be a segue into Bitcoin somehow.
yes. Oh, look. So I posted this in the chat. When was it? And anyways, it finally made its way almost dead on to that marker.
Yeah.
And again, look at that candle. Just like this one. Just like this one. Those dojis, man. And that's a candle indecision here. So let's see what it decides to do. Um, Link, I like Link. This is a possible accumulation zone. This is also the other one that I have labeled, right? Which one will it favor? I don't know. Um, would I fault you for buying Link here at 850? No.
No.
I mean, if you, yeah, well, am I buying it? No. Uh, so there's that. But I mean,
Right.
but
Well, what price would you buy there, Mug?
in this box,
In that box there.
yeah, anywhere in here. But if I was buying alts, I would I would like it in here too. But I
Mm-hmm.
wouldn't be loading the boat with it. This isn't like, oh my God, I have to buy every bit that I can right now so I have $0 left that I can buy
Right.
anything else. No, man. If you want to put 5% of your portfolio on it or something, yeah, man, have at her. But anything more than that is too much risk, not enough reward,
Mm-hmm.
in my opinion. Um, but I like Link overall, and I think buying here you will do very well in the years to come. Um, but the key word there is years,
Yours.
right?
Yep.
Not days, not days, not weeks, not months, years, right? If you want, unless you're dropping, you know, a few hundred K on it down here, then yeah, you'll do great in a few
Mm-hmm.
months, right? But if you're trying to get rich off of Link, then you'd have to spend a lot of money even on it down here, right? So keep your goals realistic, right? Focus on not money return, but percentage return, and you'll do much better in trading. Uh, don't focus on dollars, focus on percents.
Yeah. Yeah. Plus 10% on Link is the same as plus 10% on Bitcoin.
Yep, and it can happen a lot quicker on Link, and by
Mm-hmm.
can it will happen a lot quicker on Link, right? But
Right.
again,
Because the price is
Link,
lower.
yeah, but again, Link will drop 10% a lot quicker than Bitcoin will.
Yep. There is a double-edged sword, as they
That's
say.
Yeah, I like Bitcoin. I like buying Bitcoin. It's
Do you like it?
easy. Yeah, I love it. I love Bitcoin.
All right. Next, he's looking for Anto.
I like
We're
Ondo.
coming down the final stretch here. Can you believe
I
it?
like Ondo. I honestly I would buy Ondo here. Will it go lower? Maybe. Possibly. Probably. How much lower? I don't think that much lower. I mean, look where
Well,
we're at.
yeah.
Look how quick it got bought up here, right? Yeah, I'd buy Ondo. I think he'll do extremely well with Ando down here. And in the time to come, will it be months? Probably. Will you get rich off of Ando? Definitely not. I don't think so. Um, you'd have to put a lot of money into it. I don't. Honestly, I don't see Ando going back up there.
Where did it start from?
Here, 20 cents.
Yeah,
Yeah, but that's what it hit Coinbase.
that's what
I
it
mean,
Coinbase. Yeah.
yeah, exactly. I mean, it was at a penny somewhere else at some time. You know what I mean? Or like, fractions of penny, 0.0002 or something stupid. You know what I mean? And I mean, people been buying bags of it down there forever. So people that think that, oh, it can't go much lower, don't ever think that, because all it takes is, one OG to go, you know what? F this project. I'm done with it. I'm offloading. And bam, you get that oof candle. Oh, that hurt. Right? I like Ando though. I think Ando will do good.
So that was CJ. Next, we got the Poon Slayers looking for STX.
I like SCX. SCX probably one of the alts that I would buy here and now. And not have any problem with it at all. I like SCX a lot. Um, you can stake XCX on Xverse and get Bitcoin for
Ooh,
free.
free Bitcoin.
Yes, sign me up. I don't even care. I have lots of SCX staked. It's all staked.
And what's the APY
So
on that?
10%, I think it is something like that. I can't even remember. To be honest with you, I don't even look at it because I know I'm getting free Bitcoin. Um, there's like a 14-day delegation thing or something like that, and then you can like on stake it or whatever. But I just perma staked it. It's never gonna get on staked
Yeah.
ever. Uh, I'm
Kind of
gonna
like
get
my
free.
Riz.
Uh, huh, but I'm gonna get free Bitcoin, not free Briz,
Right.
right? So I mean, let's be smart here. You can get free Bitcoin and have STX. I mean, that's not going anywhere. You still have that asset too, but you're getting free Bitcoin. Yeah, I would buy XTX here. No questions. 25 cents has been eaten up. It's been an accumulation zone, and I think it's an accumulation for expansion. Um, it hasn't even found the October 10th crash low, as most people or most assets have gone much lower,
Yeah.
right? So, um, yeah, I like XCX a lot. One of my, it's probably my favorite alt because it gives you free Bitcoin. No, seriously.
Yeah, no, I
Yeah.
mean it's
Well, no.
anything that pays you Bitcoin if you just, housing your money over there.
Yeah. And I mean, it can clearly perform extremely well. I mean, buying it down here, yeah, man, good for you. I would be buying XTX right on.
Yeah.
I'm a supporter of STX, and I think you should buy it. If you're buying alts, you should be buying at STX.
All right, next thing he's looking for is INJ. Well,
Yeah.
this is two different possibilities here.
No, it's an alright. It's alright.
I don't know
I
if it's
know the coin.
crypto or if it's a ETF.
No, no. Oh, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's crypto. Um, I know he was in it a while ago. Um, see what we got going on here. Doesn't look that bad, to be honest with you.
There's a layer one blockchain for DeFi applications.
I think it's gonna bounce here. I think it's gonna up out of this bear channel and test this basis. I'd be watching around 295. Good rejection point too, right? Um, Close over retest is unsuccessful as of right now. Oh no, it didn't close over. Oof.
Mm-mm.
Doesn't really like that there, right? You could see a mini bull flag for him here, but I don't think so. Um, you need to see some volume out of this right now. Ooh, yeah, see, um, not looking too good right now. Just trying to build a bull channel on the trader time frame. It's trying to hold bull channel here on the other trader time frame, but things are starting to curl down. I think you're gonna see a double bottomish off of here. I think it's gonna come back down here again, maybe. Hard to say right now, though. Um, Bitcoin is undecided what it wants to do, and everything else is going to be undecided. Like, look at that nasty doji, right?
Mm.
Ugh. But that can be deceiving, right? Because that's a clear bull flag too. Uh, no bull pennant, more of a bull pennant. Yep. See, so don't get lost. This is still bullish. Oh, would you look at
Oh,
that?
look at the magic happening
Yeah,
right before everybody's eyes.
yeah. So, um, good chance you see that, right? Will it happen? No, nothing's ever guaranteed, right? This is just technical analysis. Um, you nothing in life or charts is for sure. I can
Yeah.
tell you that right now. I mean, especially more so now than ever. There's a lot of manipulation, right? Um, there's a lot of negative social networking, like through Truth Media and uh, X. Like Trump just needs to say one thing,
Yeah, he
and
just won't shut the hell up.
yeah, right. So again, we're not bullish overall, but a bounce is due. I mean, well, it it's gonna chop up and down in my opinion for a little bit, right? And I can see more chop down than chop up, but um, we'll see how things develop here. There's a few things that are supposed to be happening, but again, that's strictly hopium. The charts say down, uh, so I wouldn't hold too much weight in it, right? Um,
Yeah.
people are pegged on that Clarity Act. I feel like it's a smokescreen. I feel like it's just gonna get thrown around forever until people just don't even care anymore. And then when it does happen, it's like, it's probably going to be so bogged down with bullshit that
Yeah.
it's probably going to be worthless, right? Because the bankers are probably going to get more so than what they want than what they don't want, right?
Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. I know Trump's really lighting them up, so
Yeah.
they're gonna have to bend. They can't
Do you
continue to rip
trust
off everybody.
do you trust Trump and what he's saying though?
Hell no.
Well, there you go. Like you don't just because he's saying that via Truth Social or whatever
Yeah.
doesn't mean that's not what he's saying behind closed doors.
Yeah, it is very true.
So don't I wouldn't hold much weight in in Trump and supporting crypto. I mean, clearly he's rugged crypto. and rugged it hard, right? He cleared. He literally single-handedly almost, well, pretty much ended a bull run with his Trump coin. I mean, that took so much money out of the market. It was unfit, right? I mean,
Yeah.
and then that Melania coin or whatever, uh, and then Eric Trump buy the dip, and then he offloads all his ETH on everybody,
Yeah. What a
right?
shitbag. Yeah. All right. Well,
So I
that was the Poon Slayer. Got two more. Next, Pete. He had some good ones last week, so we'll see. He's looking for DBA.
Aircraft Limited.
Mm.
No, that can't be it. Dutch Power Peak Futures. I don't know.
So you have Digital Bank of oh, that's a crypto. Digital Bank of Africa, DBA Group,
Hmm.
SPA Common Stock, or Invesco Agriculture Fund. It's an ETF. What were you looking at? Oh, you were looking at aircraft.
So which one is it?
And that I don't know. And this doesn't know anything about that. Yeah, sometimes when you guys put these in here, also drop a little name of what it is.
Yeah, because
Yeah, some things have a
so I'll cover digital payments ETF.
well. I
I
wonder if
mean,
it's the agriculture fund. It's on the New York Stock Exchange. DBA.
DB.
Yeah, not P.
Oh, this one.
DBA.
Oh,
No, not that one.
DBA Group.
Invesco. Let me see. What are you typing over here? DBA.
Yeah, I got it.
There you go.
Oh, wow. This thing's really trying to call something here. What is it? What is it? Agricultural fund. Man, this thing looks bullish as fuck. Hmm. Oh, that's a that's nice. I ain't gonna lie. Um, I don't even know what to say with this, man. This thing's gonna rocket by the looks of it. I ain't gonna lie. That's a that there though is a big gap. But look, I think it's coming up to fill this, buddy. And looking at the metrics, man.
Mm.
Yeah, I don't know. I think that's going up way more than that. This thing looks bullish. I like this. I don't know what it is or what it does. I mean, I can see the RSI and everything's high, but that got lots of room. Um,
It's a
uh,
ETF for agricultural commodities.
like look at that
Yeah, through futures.
beautiful, beautiful. Like look, touch, touch here didn't even form a bear channel. Just a touch on the bottom band, right into a bull channel. Touch this base is almost perfect and into FOMO. Ah man, that's a beautiful move. Um, I'd be watching this upper band. I'd be watching in around here. I don't. This thing doesn't even look like it's going to come down too much. It's selling pressure wise. The MACD's just got so much room. Um, I think you're going to see a move like this where it does a step ladder. There was no calls on it on here. It was a little higher than what it liked to call it, but man, this thing been paying you. I wouldn't be relying on the red dot on the 4 hour though. I think the daily looks a little bit more solid. Takes a little bit more time, but those paydays have been pretty big, man. I mean, you wouldn't. Maybe you would. Yeah, you probably got stopped out, but you would have had other buying opportunities here on the 4 hour, right? I like this thing. Pete got some bangers, man.
Yeah, he's gotten some pretty good ones.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, that's a huge bull flag.
Hmm.
Clear as day. Clear as day. Um, no, it's a pennant. Slope down there. Still, I like this thing, man. Yeah, if you're in it, man, rock on. Like, look, look at that, man. You see that? Look, same thing that happened here, right? Honestly, the metrics support the same thing. Um, I think you're going to see a serious move on this thing. Uh, and like, man, it got room. I'm telling you,
Hmm.
don't let that scare you. I think that thing's gonna rip, man.
That was Pete, only one. Leaves us hanging dry with all those bangers. All
Yeah,
right.
man.
And next one we got Mike looking for kite.
Right, right. Perpetual. Oh yeah, look at this thing. The big dirty.
Ooh,
Um. Oh, there's not much history on this thing, though, eh?
no.
Let's see if there's a better exchange on it. Um, try Coinbase. No. KX. No. Mexi.
Oh,
No.
Mexi.
No. Okay.
Let's
We're
see.
stuck with this. Let's see. Actually, this thing looks pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. Um, it's gonna hold that bull channel, I think. And then recross over. Oh, I don't like that though. Oh, no, no. Mm, Bearish divergence too. Uh, yeah, no way, man. This thing is that's scary, man. I'd be watching that 26 8. Um, I think it's gonna come down and test that basis line. Chop channel now, right? Lost bull channel. I'd be watching. This thing's gonna come down. I'd almost bet my life on it, man.
Yeah, I think they were
Uh,
leverage trading this in the Discord.
yeah. Well, I hope you're short. 'Cause like, look, clear bearish divergence there, right? Price went up, MACD went down. Not good. I don't like kite.
Yeah. Well, that was the last one that was put in the chart request. Again, if you guys want to join up and make your own chart requests, you can join the Discord community uh, and put in your own request, and we can go over whichever one you want. It's not that expensive. It's just a simple $5. It helps keep the light ons around here, right? And pay for all the services that we use for the alert system and all that. But remember, we're not financial advisors, so do your own research. We'll provide you the light. You're going to have to guide the light, right? Isn't that right, Mager? But
Yeah.
thanks again for watching and getting your requests in. Thank you, Mager. I know you work today, and
Work every day, bud.
yeah. Well, at least until we start blasting
Yeah.
off to the moon again, right?
Oh yeah, then I'm done. This is what I do. I'm making money now, so I can take advantage of the cheap prices, right? Everyone should be doing the same thing. Should be trying to make money right now. Uh,
Yeah. Yeah, so on the middle tier, you get the chat alerts, and you can get access to the dot system. We'll give you the 4 hour, the daily, the 5 day dots, and you don't need to have the indicator for that because those alerts come right to the Discord. And you can also get access to the Albert Einstein, who's going to give you your stop loss recommendations and all kinds of TA from whatever asset you are following that interests you, right? So, but thanks, Maga, for coming in and going over all the charts and stuff. I appreciate it, and I'm sure the Discord members appreciate your efforts and all your charts that you draw up for everybody. So, again, thanks.
oh yeah, no problem. It's my pleasure.
Uh,
That's I want to draw some charts going up though, man. I'm sick of
I
these
know.
down charts.
I
Well,
know you're
hey,
like
I
a
just
Debbie Downer with some of these
hey,
charts, bro. It's like
hey,
maybe you
well, I
can
just
lie a
drew an
little
up
bit.
one. Well, no, I just drew an up one. It's a little up one, but look, it's playing. Oh, playing perfect right now. Yeah,
Let's
we'll
take a
see
look
if
and
it
see what
keeps
he's looking
going.
at. Oh, here it
Look,
is.
yeah. See, it's playing, but I mean, hey, a little move up is better than no move at all.
Yeah,
Again,
that's
watch
correct.
67, guys. As you can see from that candle over there, uh, it's a good rejection zone, don't you think? But yeah, guys, thanks, and pay attention to my charts in Discord. I'll be posting Bitcoin daily.
Yeah, so we look forward to it, and it's always interesting to see all your charts come to reality. It's like
Sometimes.
like this dude. He's like the great Karnak.
Yes.
All right, guys. Well, thanks. We'll be back next weekend. I don't know if I'm traveling or not, but we'll find out. But it should be back next weekend. So thanks, Mog. I appreciate you.
All right, later, guys.
And that, oh, yeah, okay. With that, then that truly was a Shawshank